up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. And if you are new, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. The satin robe basically is a sign of luxury, and today I'm going to be sharing my favorite luxury products. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my skincare routine, well, my luxury skincare routine, what I want to pour back into myself. As you guys know, I just had a baby recently, so a lot of my time gets divided and split elsewhere, but today we're going to be loving on ourselves. And because I am a mom, I often suffer from mom guilt when it comes to spending and splurging on myself. Like, I'm always like, I can use this money to buy something for my kids, always, right? And that leaves little room for myself or to get like those really good products that I want to try. But I'm so excited that Sephora now offers Klarna at the checkout. Klarna is basically a service that allows you to shop now and pay later. So say you're shopping Sephora.com and your total comes up to $100 and you're like, I don't want to spend that all up front. Well, Klarna offers you the flexibility to make 4 easy interest-free payments of $25, which is a whole lot less stressful to spend all up front. It takes the stress out of holiday shopping. You get the things that you need up front without spending all of your money up front. So I definitely recommend using Klarna next time you shop Sephora.com and get your goods and get the products that you love so much. So today I'm going to be sharing my favorite luxury skincare products that I like to use when I'm spending some time on myself, when I'm doing my pamper routine. I know you guys are going to love these products. I know you are. I only recommend the best. Alright, so if you're ready to get into this skin, let's dive into the video. So right now my skin feels a little bit dry. It's a little tight. It's definitely in need of some TLC. The first thing I'm going to use is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Whenever my skin feels dry and it feels like it's in need of like some moisture or a pick-me-up, I like to go in with like an oil cleansing balm first before I go in with like a traditional cleanser. I just find that my skin tends to not be as dry when I do that, and like right now the weather is kind of changing, so my skin is a little bit on the dry side. This smells so good. I love the texture. It really like moisturizes my skin before I go in and do all of my other steps, and my skin doesn't feel stripped of moisture. You use this on dry skin too, so you don't have to like wet your face before applying this. And I just spread it over my face. I love doing this. It's like a soothing step before I go in into all of my other steps. Go in with those fingertips and just massage into my skin, getting into all of those muscles. This just feels so good. Once that kind of settles in, it's time to rinse it, and I just take a wet cloth and kind of just like wipe it off of my face. So the next step is to use a traditional cleanser. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Goddess Cleansing Ritual 2 Purifying Charcoal Cleanse. And I love this because it comes in a set, so there's 2 in there, and I'm going to be using the charcoal one today. Charcoal is really good at removing like impurities out of your skin, really getting in there and getting all of that dirt and oil buildup, makeup buildup out of your pores and cleansing it out. I take this on my fingertips and I just smooth it in. And you massage this in until the charcoal turns white. And once it turns white, then you can rinse it off. But it just makes my skin feel so smooth. Like literally just applying it right now, my skin feels very, very smooth. I'm gonna rinse this off using a muslin cloth. I rinse this off and you can see like that natural glow kind of like shining through and popping. I absolutely love that because I know that my skin is gonna receive the next products that I'm gonna be applying to my skin. It's gonna receive it very well. My pores are tightening, but they're open and they're ready to get the goods from the rest of the products that I'm gonna be applying. So after I cleanse, the next step, which is a must. Now, I don't know about you, but I am a mask girl. Like, is it really a skincare routine without a mask? I'm gonna vote no on that. Like, it is not a routine without a good mask. And you guys, I want to share with you like my all-time favorite skincare mask ever. The Fresh Rose Face Mask is everything. So like it says, it's infused with real rose petals. It soothes and tones the skin. I sometimes, like if I really need a pick-me-up, because sometimes LA air can be very, very dry, I use this like as an overnight mask. And when I say that my skin the next morning is glowing, I'm not exaggerating. Like my skin just feels very, very just like firm, which you want. You want your skin to be firm, especially when you're getting up there in age, sis. We're in our 30s now. You can instantly tell that this hydrates the skin, it smooths the skin, your complexion will be more toned, like it does all of the goods. So let's stop rambling and apply this, because this is like one of my favorite steps is a mask. Because this is the time that I can really like just luxuriate and chill while this is like doing its thing on my face. So I leave that on my skin for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I rinse that off. Okay, so we're all rinsed, skin is glowing, and we haven't even moisturized yet. I haven't toned. These products just work so good for my skin. I have like combination skin, so my skin is generally oily, but on days where the air quality is different, a little bit drier outside, my skin definitely starts getting dry. Like I said, these products are very, very good at moisturizing dull, dry skin. So now it's time to tone, and I'm going to be using the Pharmacy Deep Sweet 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with moringa and papaya. Okay, so now it's time to apply our serum, and I'm going to be honest with you. This is a new step in my routine. I'm going to say like a few years back, I never used the serum. I didn't really have a routine when it came to skincare, like at all. Like it was very basic. It was very just wash your face with water. But now that I'm a little bit older, I'm a little bit more, you know, wiser when it comes to skincare. I realize that although it may seem like, wow, that's a lot of steps, but each step serves a purpose, and trust me, I know because I can tell in my skin. My skin is loving what I'm doing, and a serum has just been that thing that I'm just like, wow, like, so this is what I've been missing out on. All of these years I've been missing out on a serum. Today I'm going to be using the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum Deep Hydration Glow. Just pump a little bit into my hands and I just press it into my skin and then massage it in. So a girl needs her under eye mask, okay? This is not something that we can negotiate on at all. So every now and then, a girl has to splurge on her under eye care, okay? It is a necessity. Today I'm gonna be using the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. All right, so here's the mask right here, and I'm gonna apply it under my eye, and I just place it just like this. Very Instagrammable, okay? This gold foil is everything. I kind of like to help the product by massaging it under the eye. This helps brighten your under eye area. It helps reduce like dark circles and the puffiness under your eye. It helps to hydrate your eye. A lot of the times why we look so tired under our eye area is because we're losing hydration. We're losing collagen. We're losing all of the things that help fill that area in, and that's where you can kind of see like your lines and different things like that. So hydration is key to keeping that under eye area tight and right. Now it's time to remove these eye masks. Oh, that feels so good. All right, so my under eye area feels so much better. It feels so much more hydrated. It doesn't feel like that tight pulling feeling that I was feeling before because it was so dry. It feels very like plumped and firm and supple, so I definitely needed that. That mask really helped hydrate my under eye area. Definitely needed that under eye hydration. So now it's time to just seal the deal. Okay, so our skin is glowing. It's looking really good, but I like to seal everything with a moisturizer. I'm going to be using two of my favorite moisturizers by Charlotte Tilbury. This one is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer, and I also have the Magic Eye Rescue. So let's start off with the Magic Eye Rescue, which this is such a luxurious under eye cream product. I never really realized the importance of an under eye cream product until literally I became a mom, and the lack of sleep was just doing an overhaul on my under eye area, and I was like, listen, there has to be a product out there that works. And this Charlotte Tilbury cream is so luxurious. Like, she's just not your ordinary eye cream. Instantly just putting this on, it feels like butter. Like, already my under eye looks so much better than when I first started this. So after that I go into the Magic Cream, and this is a facial moisturizer, and I just take some and work this in. Never neglect the neck. The neck also is an area that can really age. That is pretty much how I pamper my skin. All right, y'all, that is my luxury self-care routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried any of the products that I mentioned in today's video. All of the products that I mentioned today, the links will be down below in the description box, so check them out. And don't forget to use Klarna next time you shop Sephora.com to get your 4 easy interest-free payments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.